Every business adopts some or other kind of marketing strategies to reach at the top level in the business world. Marketing is a great way to promote a business among the people. Marketing strategies are also different types. Email marketing is one of the marketing strategies, which is also a great way to connect with people personally. Email marketing is a way to communicate with people directly. If you want to use this way, then you need to have knowledge about this strategy. We have made this post for those people who are not aware of email marketing. In the forthcoming paragraphs, you will come to know about what email marketing is, how to do it, free email marketing, templates, software and many other things about it. It is an ultimate guide to help you to begin with email marketing.
What is email marketing? Email marketing is a direct form of digital marketing, in which entrepreneurs use to target the particular firms and customers in order to promote their products and services. It is a direct form of marketing strategy, which send emails to customers. This marketing strategy helps the person to get aware about the latest items, offers, and other necessary details about the product. This marketing strategy is literally very much beneficial, as it really helps in engaging people for your product and service for the purchase.
Benefits. There are many benefits and reasons to choose the email marketing strategy, such as, the foremost advantage of using the email marketing strategy is that it is the lowest cost marketing strategy. In comparison to other marketing techniques, it has the lowest cost. It helps at reaching to the already engaged audience to make them permanent with the company. Deliver the target messages to the customers and other company. It is very easy to get started. It is even very easy to manage as well. It has reach to worldwide. How to do email marketing. If you want to learn email marketing, there are several things about which the person needs to learn. Here are a few tips mentioned to know how to do email marketing to level up the marketing game. If you are starting with email marketing, the foremost thing you have to do is to check out the targeted audience. You must check who will be your targeted audience, so that you can create the email in a proper way. Make the list of the customers and other entrepreneurs to aware them about your products and services. After making the list, it is the time to establish the goal and create a way for people to interact and sign up. Decide how many interactions you want from your email, and then draft the email in such a way, which influence the people to sign up. Now make the schedule to send the mail. You must fix the constant time, on which you will send the email to the other customers and entrepreneurs. Regular update about the products and service will make the receivers also to get into your brand. At last, just look out for the results. Measure how many benefits you have availed from email marketing. Notice where you are lacking to deal with that issue.
Why don't a circumflex T you try with free email marketing? In the free email marketing strategy, one can send emails on multiple emails through your one email. If you don't a circumflex T want to invest on email marketing for first, then you can take help from the free email marketing ways also. Several tools are available for free email marketing, which are Sendinblue, HubSpot, Email Marketing, OmniSend, MailerLite, SendPulse, Mailjet, SendPulse, Benchmark Email. Different other tools are also available for free email marketing. Just explore on internet more, and you will come to know about this easily. Know about the email marketing tool.
The best email marketing tools are GetResponse, ConvertKit, Aweber, Keep Active, Campaign, MailChimp, Drip. Different other best email marketing tools are available, and you can use them for your work to avail the expected profits. Know about the email marketing templates. When you are creating an email for your email marketing purpose, you must create a better template. In order to create a better email marketing template, you need to follow proper guidelines. Use these. Click on the brand drop-down option, and choose templates in that. Click on the Create Template later on. Now you need to choose the template category by clicking on the tab. Click on the particular template to choose for creating the email. Now drag and drop the content blocks into the chosen template layout for the addition and the formation of the text, files, images, and for the other needed content. What is email marketing strategy? In the email marketing strategy, here the entrepreneur used to promote his products and service directly to the customers, and particular decided other entrepreneurs to increase the revenue. With the help of the email advertising procedure, the person can target desired audience to achieve the expected marketing goals from market. It is a type of personal communication way, which helps to connect directly. Due to the direct connection, the people get more influenced with the email marketing strategy. It will definitely help to reaching to the targeted prospectus and build a great brand promotion.
Scope of email marketing jobs. Email marketing is a very beneficial marketing strategy to generate high revenue to the company. It attracts and influences people to come and try your products and service. In the huge firms, the entrepreneurs hire email marketers also. Those email marketers are expert in making a perfect email to send to customers and other companies too. There are many companies who hire person for email marketing work.
Conclusion: email marketing has been proven to be a great way of marketing for the firms. No doubt, digital marketing is a great approach to worldwide, but when you connect with someone physically, it brings a very great impact on the readers. That is why, using email marketing is the right way to choose. Hope you got enough about email marketing. Now do not hesitate choosing this marketing strategy, as it really has many benefits and reasons to choose to grow your business. Try it out now, you will get benefits.